What is going on, everybody, and welcome to a brand new video on this channel. In today's video, it's going to be very exciting because I get to talk about my payout that I got from Topstep. In my previous video, as we all saw, I did end up passing 250k accounts, so I'm funded 100k with Topstep, and I managed to make $2,000 in a matter of 1 week.
No way. No way. Why not? Because
Which is just mind-boggling to me. That is crazy work. That would be like my, I think, 2 months or 3 months pay from my job. So to make it in a matter of week, I'm in shock, I guess you can say. So pretty exciting. I guess I'm gonna make a whole separate video about receiving payouts and how I feel, because on the day that I got the payout or requested the payout, I was still kind of like, it hasn't hit me, that I made $2,000 in a week, as is hitting me right now that I made $2,000 in 1 week. That's just a lot of money for me to just to be able to think about, and how, my journey had this sort of ups and downs and whatnot. But anyways, I'm gonna make a completely separate video about that. In today's video, we're just gonna be looking at my dashboard and how it went on. So as we can see from the objectives, I needed to hit 5 winning days of $200 and plus, which I did. I follow the scaling plan. The scaling plan only allows 2 contracts on the micros and minis. So if you're trading NQ, you're only allowed to trade 2 contracts. If you're trading the mini NQ, so the MNQ, then you're only allowed 2 contracts. So it's not like a relative thing to it. So it's only 2 contracts on both the micro and the mini. And the only thing is my trailing drawdown, which it did end up going up, but I think it was at $2,000. So yeah, at $2,000 starting off, and then it just kept following you up end of day. So it wasn't like intraday trailing or whatnot, it's just end of day, it just trailed. Let's just have a look at this equity curve. I started off with, of course, the balance 0. On the first day, I made $591. On the second day, I made an additional $463, bringing my balance to 1,000. And then on my third day is kind of where I had an over trading day, which it is what it is. It happens to all of us. So whatever happens, happens. Where I lost $1,200. So a bit more than what I made in the 2 days in just 1 day, which is just at that time I'm like, oh man, I'm probably gonna blow this account or something. But I stuck to my gut and I kept trading. So my balance was left at negative $148. And then on the next days, it just kind of went up slowly. So then I made $1,200 in one trade, which is just mind-boggling again. Made $497 after that. And then my final day, $465, bringing the balance up to $2,090.26. Now, I did have it copy trading to my other account. So my other account, I think, was $2,070 and something cents. After that day, I said I'm gonna request my payout and I'm gonna stop trading, because within, I think it was, what is this? It started at 10:08 and ended 10:17. So about a week and a half. Yeah, a little, like a couple days over a week, but still, like 2,000 is 2,000, especially in my currency, Canadian, that's 2.7k. Oh, I'm pretty happy about that. I'm not gonna lie. And that happened with both the accounts. This is basically the breakdown of the different trades for that day. But yeah, that's basically it. I am pretty stoked, pretty happy, pretty blessed to be in this position to get this withdrawal. And hopefully the next video that I will be releasing is sort of, maybe it'll probably be like a 2-part style video where I talk about how you can get these payouts and how you can like pass these accounts, because there's no like a way of doing it. It just kind of like, it's like you have to work on yourself. But I'll make an entire video about that. And then I'm also gonna maybe talk about like my backstory a bit more of how I began trading and how I got to this position. But yeah, pretty happy. Probably gonna post the proof or picture of whatever hitting my Wise account somewhere on the screen. Now, I know there's going to be a lot of people who don't believe it, who say it's photoshopped or whatnot. To be honest, I don't really care, because the money's sitting in my account, so it is what it is. If you don't believe me, you don't believe me. I can't make everyone believe me, so I'm not going to waste my time on those people. But anyways, if you are new to this channel, hit that like button and subscribe down below. I keep forgetting to say that, but it really does help the channel out a lot. But yeah, I'll see you guys all next time. Take care.